Have you ever tried these or this kind from Trader Joe's? They're chocolate covered frozen fruits and they're delicious. I wanted to do an experiment and see if I could make them at home. My friend Bonnie told me about these piping bags. They're disposable and they're plastic. And so I'm going to use that for this project and try them out. So I put one of the piping bags in a glass cup so it can stand up while I try to put this melted chocolate in. Okay. Yum. That part of the experiment worked really well. Rick and I love those frozen fruits as dessert, but the bags are kind of expensive. So they're between $7 and $8 for those little bags. So I wanted to do an experiment and see if I could make them at home. Also, I wanted to use a variety of fruit because the ones that come in those bags at the store are only one type of fruit for each package, but I wanted to try it with mixed fruit. I have bags of frozen fruit that I get from Costco that look like this. This one is mixed berries and this one is strawberry. And I also have another one that's pineapple. What I did today was I cut up those frozen fruits and I put them back in the freezer, so they should be nice and cold now. I chopped up the pineapple and the strawberries because those come in pretty large chunks. And now they're more evenly sized with the mixed berries. So what I'm going to try to do now is put dark chocolate on these and refreeze them and see if they turn out just as good as the store-bought kind. So this is about a pound of dark chocolate, and I bought a giant bar of it from Trader Joe's. And it was about $6 or $7, I want to say. So I used a little bit of the bar to make some banana bread, and I put chunks of the dark chocolate in it, and it turned out really good. And so today I'm using the leftover bit of the chocolate bar to try this experiment with the frozen fruit. I have a lot of fruit here, so it's not going to be coated on the bottom. But Rick and I were trying to figure out a more healthy dessert. So frozen fruit with dark chocolate seemed pretty good. This summer we went to Hawaii and we went to Lydgate Farms, which is a cacao plantation. And we learned all about the health benefits of dark chocolate. So I'm wearing their shirt right now, and it's from Lydgate Farms. And dark chocolate has a lot of good health benefits, and there's a lot of antioxidants in it. So I'm hoping that this dessert will be a little bit more of a healthy option than like cake or ice cream. So that's on. It's not sticking as well as I would like to the fruit pieces, but it is in there. Maybe next time I should dip it and see how that turns out. So I'm going to mix this up and put it back in the bags and stick it back in the freezer so that we can snack on it later. It's sticking to some fruit, but not all of it, so maybe dipping it next time would be a better option. It's good. I'm going to load this into 2 zip bags. Lincoln, can you help me again? Thank you. For this experiment, I got 2 bags. It's probably just over a gallon worth of frozen fruit with dark chocolate on it. but it's not as coated as the store-bought kind. So the store-bought kind has a greater ratio of chocolate to fruit, and it's good. This one is white chocolate and milk chocolate on frozen raspberries. But my mixed fruit has more fruit than chocolate. And so I'm hoping that that's going to be a little bit healthier for us, but it will help satisfy that sweet tooth after dinner.